turn your images into professional looking images using this AI tool. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in just 2 minutes or in less than 2 minutes. So let's dive straight in. So head over to ideogram.ai and sign up if you have not signed up before. But if you have signed up, just log into your account just as I am doing now. I have created my account already, so I'll just go ahead to log in. I am now on the Ideogram homepage. So the next step is to go to this point, then select character. Here is the character, so just select it. Once that is done, you can see character here. Then click upload. I have already uploaded my image, which I used to generate other images. But because you have not done that before, you are going to click on upload in order to upload your image, which is the reference image. I mean the image you will use now to transform your videos into professional looking images. You can actually use any image that shows clearly your face. So you can see it here, and then the next thing is to drop a prompt, as in the prompt to tell this AI website what exactly you want to achieve with this. So this prompt, I'm going to embed it in the description below. So make sure if you don't know how to generate prompt, you can just use it and then do a little tweak by changing one or two in that place. Then this place I am pointing now, you can also change the orientation there if you want it to be like a short form video. But for the sake of this video, we are using the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the normal size for YouTube videos. So you can see it's generating already. So we are going to wait and allow our image to good. This is it. How cool is this? You can see how beautiful it's looking. Please, if you find value in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section and let me know whatever you are finding difficult in doing this. Let me know in the comment section. If you also want me to give you more prompts, please drop it in the comment section. And if today is your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new and amazing video like this. So you can see this is saved. You can just click on save and save it. And the good thing about this website is that it doesn't come with watermark. So it comes with no watermark. You can see how beautiful the images are looking. How cool is this and how simple is this? So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I remain my humble self, Emmanuel EO Enet. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.